Hello out there, my name is Caitt and welcome back to my channel. This is probably the 8th time that I'm trying to film this little intro clip. So this video is going to be very long because today I am going to be showing you this simple look and I'm not going to be cutting or editing my... I don't know what happened there, editing my butt. I am not going to be cutting or editing my voiceover at all. I'm sorry for the noise. I am right next to a bridge, but I thought this would be a cool filming location. Now, I'd say that it usually takes me maybe a half hour to do a voiceover for like a full 3 lookbook video. So one look probably takes me about 10 minutes just because I keep stuttering and messing up or thinking that I want to say something one way when I really want to say another. These are all examples of what is coming out of my mouth right now. Still, I hope you enjoy this unedited, uncut, real what it's like to film a voiceover and how long it actually takes. Alright, so I've officially started recording and I cannot stop or cut or edit anything from here on out. The first thing I'm going to show you in this lookbook is not lookbook. The first part of this look is, oh my goodness. The shoes that I'm wearing are just these cheap black sneakers that I got people to write on, to sign. And the socks that I'm wearing were not originally part of this outfit, but it's Shark Week currently, so I absolutely had to add them in. The shorts I'm wearing are just some plain denim shorts, oh my goodness. The shorts I'm wearing are just these plain denim shorts, and for a top, I'm just wearing this black sports bra underneath of a gray tank top, and I'm pretty sure this is called a racerback, the way that it butterflies in the back. And because this is so long, I always take the bottom material of the shirt and tuck it into my right pocket. And since the shirt is so long, I always take the material at the bottom and stuff it into my right back pocket in my shorts or my pants to make it shorter and fit better. For makeup, and I'm saying makeup loosely because I'm not actually wearing any real makeup products. I'm just applying some eye cream under my eyes and then some sun lotion. And I'm also going to add some lip exfoliant on my lips. And I'm also going to add some I'm also going to add some lip exfoliant on my lips, then move on to my eyes, which I'm just going to curl my eyelashes, brush out my eyebrows, and then to finish all of this off, I'm just going to apply some lip balm and set that in place with some setting spray. And I'm also doing this because sunscreen can get really greasy and I want more of a not sweaty, shiny look. And for my hair, I'm just doing a simple high ponytail and pinning it up with little black and silver barrettes in the back because my hair is still really short and not all of it reaches up into that high ponytail. And of course, setting that all in place with some hairspray. Alright, that's it. I'm done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe to be notified whenever I upload. Check out my Society 6 store. It is linked down below. And I will see you in August with a before the scenes and choreography video. Bye!